start with the elegant name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim, who is the King of Kings, most merciful and most beneficent. Honorable Chief Guest, respected teacher, and my dear audience fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today my topic is about the Islam today. Islam today is in conflict between Western, secular culture and traditional Islamic culture. The growth of Islamic fundamentalism is an attempt to reach back to the glories of Islamic history. Many fundamentalist Muslims ask themselves the question, respected teacher, if Islam is the religion of Allah, why are we being defeated by the West, United States and Israel? Dear listeners, the fundamentalist sees the problem with the failure of Islamic nation to live as the Quran commands. This way of not living the life required by Allah, as specified in the Quran, and traditional are therefore being defeated by the West, is the spark of fundamentalism. Dear fellows, today in Islam there is a struggle between moderate and fundamentalist ideology. Understanding the books of the Islamic faith is just as important to understanding its history. The books of Islam shape both the culture and philosophy of the Muslim world.